Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a common challenge faced by many ClickFunnels users, creating separate input fields for first name and last name in a two-step order form. As you know, the standard two-step order form in ClickFunnels combines first name and last name into a single input field. This can be inconvenient for many users who prefer to keep their first name and last name separate. While ClickFunnels does not have a built-in feature for this, we can easily achieve it using custom JavaScript code. To customize full name input field, we will go to the page editor first. Then we will copy this entire JavaScript code and paste it inside settings, tracking code, footer tracking code. Now save the page and reload the preview. Now you can see our full name input field is separated into first name and last name. You can find the link to the code in the video description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.